Hi, my name is Liz, and the name of this space is Nothing But Bags. I call this Nothing But Bags because when I'm getting ready to go somewhere, putting on my clothes, picking out my outfits, my shoes, I don't care about any of that stuff. I don't care about what I'm wearing. I don't care about the label or the brand. All I care about is what handbag am I carrying. My clothes are an accessory. My handbag is the main event. If this is your first time clicking on one of my videos, thank you so much for selecting this video. It's sincerely appreciated. And if you're one of returning friends to my channel, you know how I feel about y'all. I appreciate y'all from the bottom of my heart. You are the reason I do this because you talk to me about handbags all day long, DMing my Instagram and commenting on my videos and my community wall posts. Y'all are very supportive of me. So this is really our space to talk about handbags. And as you can see, we have an unboxing. I don't do unboxings, y'all. Y'all already know. I have to open my stuff up. I can't be waiting on y'all. I love y'all definitely. I can't be waiting on y'all. And I'm going to do this while I'm talking. I can't be waiting on y'all. If I don't have I ain't took my shower, I ain't brushed my teeth, I ain't took my hair down, nothing. I can't be waiting on y'all. I love y'all, but I can't be waiting on y'all to open my boxes. So when my boxes get here, when UPS leaves or whatever, and the boxes get here, I have to open them up. And I'll film it for y'all because I do care about y'all. I don't want y'all to ever think I don't care about y'all. I do film the unboxing. But get on camera for unboxing? No sir, no ma'am, no Pam. Because I can't wait when I get my bags. I be so excited. And I just can't wait until I look presentable to come on camera and do it with y'all. It's not because I don't love y'all. It really is. It's because I just can't get presentable. How she got this box tape? Okay, I can't get presentable in time enough to do an unboxing on camera. So I film them for y'all because I do care about y'all. But this one, I got up when the UPS man drove away. I got up. I brushed my teeth. I found me a shirt to put on. I put my hat on because we're in New York. Concrete jungle where dreams are made of. Baby, she put this box together. Do you hear me? We in New York, y'all. Y'all know. Y'all already know what Coach is doing. I put on my community wall and I put on Instagram. I need Coach to get off the gas. I need them to get off of the gas. They've been going 95 in a school zone. They've been going 95 in a school zone all year long to give all the noise. But I'm unboxing. I'm doing a live on. They've been going 95 in a school zone all year long. I need them to get off of the gas. We got bills to pay, Coach. We have children. People got children. I ain't got no children. My baby's a fur baby. But people got children, Coach. People got children, Coach. We can't keep doing this with y'all. You already see over here that I have already purchased 2 Coach bags from this fall collection. I need Coach to get off of the gas. I need them to allow me to breathe. Give us at least until tax season. Let us breathe. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, y'all know what I did. I went last weekend to the Coach in I went last weekend to the Coach in Atlanta in the Lenox Mall. And my wife got me this little Crosby backpack. FYI, Crosby is for the name of the streets in New York. They're the way that they're the rocks or stones in their streets are set up. That's why it's called Crosby. I was like, what the Crosby got to do with what Crosby got to do with New York? Now, mind you, receipt. Mind you, I'm old, y'all, so I actually thought, forgive the noise, I actually thought that it was Bing Crosby. If you ain't, you don't know, you don't know. If you know, you know. I'm 50. So I actually thought it was for Bing Crosby. I was like, what Crosby got to do with New York? My first time seeing it, so. This is my first time seeing it, too. We're in New York. Out. Dazzle. 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 She got feet. She got feet, Dazzle. This is the Empire in black. This is the Empire in black. Lord have mercy. This is my first time seeing the two. Y'all see, I'm gonna give me. Bear with me. This is the Empire in black with the foolishness and fool-la-la. Coach, I need y'all to get off my gas. Get off of the gas, Coach. Okay, so this is making a lot of noise. This goes on like this. I'm trying to get it off for y'all so I can take this off temporarily. This is the charm that's also with this fall drop. It's got the little taxi on it. It's got the apple because New York is known as the Big Apple, and it's got the Empire State Building. Now we're in New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. There's nothing you can't do. Now you're in New York. She made me a little, she's so cute. My essay made me this. She said, what's your initials again? I said, you need to remember that, girl. I done bought 3 bags from you in like a month. You need to remember that. But anyway, anyhow. So she put a little crown on it. Ain't that cute? Y'all know my first name. I call myself Liz. My first name is Elizabeth. I don't want to say, but it does kind of give you queen vibes. Anyway, that's the regular Coach tag. So she put that on there for me. This is a size 40. The dimensions are somewhere on the screen right now. Look, I don't mean no harm. The quality issue gonna come up later. But I am a Louis girl. I'm not no Coachy. I'm a Louis girl. I love Louis Vuitton. It's my thing. I love me some Louis. I have several Louis bags in my collection. Several. Not like several, but like 10. I love Louis. But sometimes Louis, I had a friend girl on here, Hopeful Minimalist, that attempted to buy the Pochette Matisse East-West for her birthday 2 or 3 times. Quality issues. Y'all see that zipper? Dazzle. She got feet. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just, there she is, y'all stuffed. I told her, can I please get a factory wrapped bag. This is the crossbody strap. At this point on the screen somewhere, you will see the strap drop on this bad boy. It is adjustable and removable. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes. Very thick strap. I currently use my Louis Vuitton Neverfull as my work travel bag. And one thing I hate about my Neverfull is that the straps literally cut into my shoulder. I had to buy a little piece to go on the strap because it was digging in my shoulder. And so I like that they gave you a substantial strap because they understand that it's a big bag, it's gonna be heavy, and don't nobody want their straps digging into their shoulders. You running through the airports trying to catch your flight, and this is just a little kind of Coach care thing or something. But you don't want to be running through the airport to catch your flight and your thing digging on your shoulder. As you can see in there, real good, light is catching it good. That is a suede interior, micro suede interior, I think. It has a snap back pocket that is almost 3/4 of the back wall. It is a snap closure, and it has the Coach Creed there on the leather. There are no other pockets in this bag. And I'm just saying real quick. And Dazzle. Hold on. She got me. Got you some rings on the sides here, and you have these gussets on the sides here. The gussets tighten with a buckle right here on the inside, right there. It's soft, so y'all can get in there. See, that buckle, you open it up and it can make the bag wider or make the bag tighter. It's got a key keeper inside as well. So you can hook your key to it. You know, when you drop your car off at the parking for the airport and you don't be caring about where your key is when you're leaving, when you're coming back, you need to know. It is the Soft Empire 40. I hope you can see that. Hold on. I'm keeping the bag. Why I'm tripping? I'm keeping the bag. It ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere. There we go. Hope you can see that. But it's the Soft Empire 40. The US price is $6.95. My shots will be included. I'm so excited about this bag. I don't know what to do with myself. Okay. Coach, I need y'all to get off the gas. I need y'all to cut it out. What y'all been doing this year is ridiculous. It's sad. Y'all need to leave us alone. It's people out here got children in college. It's people out here that's got grandbabies. Y'all need to get off the gas and stop doing us like this. This is getting ridiculous. 3 bags from the fall collection. 3. The Times Square Tabby in chalk, the smallest, least expensive size. The Crosby backpack in Merlot with the burnished edges. And the Empire 40 in black. The Empire 40 in black. So, one last thing. I plan to use this for work, right? I plan to use this for work. I know I can't take all that mess on the through the airport. TSA will say no. But my plan is, I wanted this bag for work travel. And my laptop is an 11-inch laptop. It does fit in this bag. But it pops up a little bit at the top, not allowing me to cinch the bag completely, but I can cinch it. And I don't like that. I don't like anything that's gonna distress the top of the bag or change or alter the bag. So I have my Coach Carryall pouch that has my laptop charger in it, and my mouse. And what I would probably do is put my cell phone chargers and cords in here. I'm gonna put this in this bag. It's a Coach Carryall. It fits. It fits in there. And my 11-inch laptop, work laptop, fits in there. Baby. Now wearing. Wow. Told y'all it was coming up. Wow, y'all. That was live. Y'all see this? $6.95. Y'all see this? My zipper pull failed. I pulled it. It just came right out. I'm so hurt, and I'm not near a Coach. What I was gonna do? I am so hurt. It looked like it's a piece that's missing. I don't even know what to do about that. I don't even know what to do about that. I'm hurt, y'all. I'm so disappointed. It looks like it's a piece that goes in there. I will be calling my SA in St. Louis about that. I'm so hurt. I just was closing. Y'all saw me just close the zipper. I'm so glad I videotaped this. I was just closing the zipper. I didn't even pull it hard, and it just came right off. It looks like there's a piece that goes in the middle to hold it together, and I need to call her about that because I'm not near a Coach. I'm near a Coach outlet. Anyway, I'm going to reach out to my SA. As of the filming of this video, I've left a message from my SA. I have not heard back, but this was my solution to the problem temporarily. I'm keeping this bag, so I don't know what we're going to do because I'm keeping this bag. This bag is so sexy. I will be including my shots. This bag is so sexy. I'm keeping this bag. That is not a deal breaker for me. I'm going to get it fixed. I'm going to find out what needs to be done to get her fixed because I did get her back on, but it'll slide back off again. So I got her back on, but she just literally just slid off, and it's like, and I'll put a picture in here somewhere. It's like this is the zipper pull. the little circle that the zipper pull goes on is open, and I don't know, it looks like based on the way it's designed that there was a piece that should have kept that closed. So I'm going to reach out to my SA today and ask her what are we going to do about that, because I'm nowhere near the store. I'm not sending it back, and I need to find out what can I do about that. Other than that, I mean, hey, I'm happy with her. She's staying with me. She ain't going nowhere. I'm so hurt about my zipper pull. Anyway, all my stuff fits. That's what I wanted. I wanted my laptop to fit in there. I wanted my, to be able to carry this as a travel bag. It is heavy, y'all. Don't get it twisted. This is an all leather bag. It is heavy, but it does come with the crossbody strap. And I will be including mod shots, so you do have that. Make sure that works, y'all. Make sure ain't nothing else works on this thing. That was factory wrapped, y'all. It came from the factory like that. Anyhow, like, let me call my SA and see what she's going to be able to do about that. Send her some pictures. And other than that, I didn't mean to put it on the same. Did I put it on the same thing as that? I didn't mean to do that. This video's gone long enough. I love this bag. I think it is absolutely beautiful. I will be calling her about the zipper pull, but other than that, I'm very happy with this. I think it is beautiful. It fits my laptop. It will work as my work bag, and this will also work as a travel bag. This will work as an everyday bag, to be honest, y'all. It really would. But anyway, this is the only bag out of this grouping that I've had an issue with as well. I want to mention that. I love this bag. Unhappy about the zipper pull, but I do love this bag, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Drop down in the comments and tell me if you are purchasing this bag. Are you waiting on one of the other colors? This one also comes in this Merlot with burnished edges. It's just sold out. It comes in a navy blue that is absolutely gorgeous. It's also sold out, I believe. I don't know what other colors this comes in. This is the 40. It comes in multiple sizes. I'll try to put that on the screen right now. It comes in small, like a little handbag. It comes, I think, a 35, and it comes in a larger size. I don't know if the larger size ever was available online. I think it sold out immediately. But it's absolutely worth it. The zipper pull, I'm upset about. But other than that, I'm very, very happy with my bag. Thank you for watching this video. Drop down in the comments and tell me what you think. The only other thing that I'll ask of you is that you have an absolutely wonderful day.